Hello student, all the best. Prepare well in exam. I will be with you always and give all information. Please subscribe my channel. Here we are dealing with normality equation. Normality is equal to n factor multiplied by molarity. So now n is equal to 5m. Okay, for KMnO4 solution when it is reduced from MnO4 1 negative to Mn2 positive. So n factor will be 5 for in this case. Here I have given you example. MnO4 1 negative plus 5 electron gives Mn2 positive. Reduction occur. Electron involves are 5, so n factor will be 5. So see here first, 0.1 KMnO4 solution means 0.1 into 5 normal solution, that is 0.5 n solution. Okay, and then 0.2 m solution means 0.2 multiplied by 5, so that is 1 n. So 0.2 m is equal to 1 n solution. 0.5 m KMnO4 means 0.5 multiplied by 5. 1 molar solution, that is equal to 5 normal solution. Clear? This tip is very important. Keep in mind, very easy now. See here. Now they have given this KMnO4 reacts with oxalic acid. Reacts with oxalic acid accordingly. So write down this equation. Now 20 ml of 0.1 m KMnO4 is equivalent to, options are given to you. So what we will do, we will select the data from here. It is 20 ml and here 0.1 m. When this type of questions are given to you, always convert into equivalent form. Okay, so that you will easily get information, complete information. Okay, now what we have to do, see here, milli equivalence of KMnO4 is equal to 5 m1v1. I told you from here. Okay, so milli equivalence of KMnO4 given here 20 ml and 0.1. So 0.1 m multiplied by 5, so we'll get 0.5, and this is the volume given 20, so multiply it by this, m1v1 5 m1v1, so this is 5 by 10 is 0.5 multiplied by 20, that is equal to 10 equivalent. Now we will solve all these problems so that we will get this. Now here n factor of H2C2O4 is 2. Okay, so that is why I have written 2 everywhere. Okay, this is normal solution for oxalic acid, and we will find out which will give you 10 milli equivalents. So when we will solve it, so only this D 50 ml we will give you 10 milli equivalents. 50 0.1 by here n factor is 2 for oxalic acid, n factor 2 for oxalic acid, dibasic acid, right? So for oxalic acid. Clear? So in this way D is the correct option because it is giving 10 milli equivalents. 50 ml into 0.1 into 2, it will be 10 milli equivalents. So answer D is